Karaz and Kaden learn as we play.
What are you doing?
Oh, hi everyone! Today I'm going to be packing my clothes for my 2 nights and 3 days trip to JB. I'm so sorry for my messy cupboard. My mother's always telling me that it's very messy. Now, let me tell you what I have in my cupboard. This is my outing clothes, some more outing clothes, some socks, funny clothes, towels, singlet, panties, home clothes, and pajamas. Let's pack! So, 2 nights we now need 2 sets of pajamas. I love this because my brother has one which is same as me and is very comfortable. And I love this because I love the designs and it's very comfy. Now, how many panties will I need? My day 1, day 2, and day 3. I think I will need 5 panties just in case some of them drop in the toilet bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 panties. Now, let's start packing outing clothes. On day 1, I think I'm going to wear this t-shirt because it says that big sister and my brother has one which is the same that says little brother. And I think this goes really good with a pair of these shorts. They are my favorite shorts because they have a lot of mini heart shapes around them. What should I pack for day 2? You know, JB is really hot, so maybe I will wear shorts. How about I wear this? I like it because it's rainbow and very colorful and it's also very comfortable. And it also comes with a pair of shorts. And these shorts are very comfortable. Next, I'm going to show you what I'm going to pack for day 3. I'm going to be sitting in the car for very long, so it might be cold. I better not wear shorts. There's one more thing I want to show you. This is where I keep all my dresses and skirts. Better pack one more extra just in case my brother vomit on me. Which one should I pack? I think I will pack this because it's very sparkly and the pocket is very sparkly as well. And I'm going to pack these pants as well for my extras because it has a lot of these and a lot of pearls on it and I love it. In my next video, I am going to show you which hotel we are going to be staying in when we always go to JB. It is a very convenient place, fun and a fun place for me and my brother